voting for? I'm voting for...
I'm gonna get ready with you. Let's do it. Let's get ready together. Let's talk about the election. I can't believe those words just came out of my mouth. I'm gonna start with this. It's running down my hand. Let me put it on and then I'll tell you what it is. Which is a little tiny sample of Guerlain. The cutest, tiniest little sample with a little dropper bottle. It's called Abiel Royale. I'll link it for you. Everything will be linked below. You can find it and try it out. Anyways, this is a little tiny sample. I like it just fine. I've been using it now for a while. Before I put on my makeup, I put it on. What I don't love about it is the scent. Let me put my hair up. What am I doing? What am I doing with my life? I'm about to talk politics with you. And that is just something I never in a million years thought I'd do. That's better. Aren't I cute? He's cute. I went on Twitter and muted any word having to do with our president. I just got tired of hearing all the things about the election. So I muted all the words. I'm going to try this Pure 4-in-1. It's my first time using it. Let's see how it goes. This could be a catastrophe. I'm registered independent. I don't vote party lines. I vote for who I think should be elected. So I'm registered independent. And when Brock for President reached out to me with a sponsor for this video, I said yes, because I believe in the message. This isn't about who we're voting for. This is about a message that I want to give you. So we're going to put on this makeup and I'm going to give you that message and you're still going to love me, right? I'm going to talk about politics and you're still going to love me. This stuff is thick. Wow. It's going to take me a long time to get this rubbed in. Wow, that is 4-in-1. What's the other? I thought primer and I don't know what I'm even saying. I don't usually get underneath my eyes, but there's so much I don't know what else to do. Wow, this is not good. It's all over my hand. It's all over my face. Whoa. This does not look good. This is so white, and girl, I am white, but this is so white. Look what it makes me look. Like my under eyes are so dark, and normally they look slightly dark, but this is like, I ain't gotten sleep in weeks dark. This stuff is so white. Who would this work with? You would have to be extremely, extremely pale for this to work because I am pale. And this is too pale for me. Does this come in colors? It's LN2 and it's too light for me. So who is Brock and why is he running for president? You may know Brock. You may know him from a little movie called Mighty Ducks. And he is evidently a billionaire. Capital B billionaire. This video is not really about Brock though. This video is really about the two-party system and makeup. I'm not going to vote for a president that I don't believe in. I have never done that and I'm never going to. And it is not a throwaway vote to vote independent. Just like it wasn't a throwaway to try this Pure and it didn't work. It was fun to try. Now I know it doesn't work. And now you know it doesn't work. But it's not a throwaway. This is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite, and it is currently my favorite concealer. Loving it, using it constantly. It does do a little more creasing than my favorite CoverGirl, which has been my all-time favorite for years. But it looks so good the first hour that I can live with it. I like to get it right here where my glasses go, where there's always a discoloration. I put foundation there, then I double the foundation, then I usually do powder and concealer, and then more powder. But I didn't do that this time. Lorac Behind the Scenes Eye Primer. I used this one other time. What I do love about it is this little applicator, but really all I do is this. I just put it on my finger and then apply it. But if you wanted to use that little applicator, it seems pretty decent. I love to get samples. Anytime I can get a sample, I am gonna get it. You may know other parties beside Democrat and Republican that are running. A certain singer is running for the, get this, the birthday party. I can't even make this stuff up. The birthday party. So you can vote for any of them. It doesn't even matter who you vote for. You don't have to vote for someone that you cannot stand and say to yourself, this is the lesser of two evils. It is still an evil. I'm going to put a little bit of powder on to set that concealer.
This is Laurier? No.
This is Laura Mercier. I almost said it wrong again. And this does pretty good for setting this. That goop on my face is so white that I cannot even get my concealer to look good with it.
This is ridiculous.
No, that's horrible. And it doesn't even look good. It's all in my pores and lines. That's the worst. Look at it. Look at this right here. We're going to do eyeshadow now, and listen, I do a really super simple eyeshadow. I just wanted you to know that. We're going to do so simple that anyone could do it. We are so used to the two-party system that we don't realize that there is a better way that another candidate could win. Now I'm going to read something from a website while I put my eyeshadow on. I probably won't be able to do that, but I'm going to try. This is the Morphe 35C palette that I've been using constantly because I love it. Let's see, I think that we'll start... We're only going to use 3 colors tonight. We're going to make this so simple that anybody can do it. And I'm going to put that all over my lid. I like to pull up on my lid so that I don't have a bunch of creasing. That's kind of a trick that I know I've taught you before. And frankly, if you're not up close to the mirror, you can't see that it looks bad, so just don't get up too close. Don't do the magnifying part, okay? Just don't do the magnifying part. It looks great if it's not magnified. Let me read this to you. In the presidential election of 1824, the Democrat-Republican Party fielded 4 candidates. Among them were Andrew Jackson and John Quincy Adams. This is my all-time favorite crease brush. This is like 10 or 15 years old. Still the best. All this noise. Sorry. What shall we do? Let's do this dark green. Hardly ever use dark green. That'll be fun. Andrew Jackson won the... Why can't I say Andrew Jackson tonight? He won the popular vote, but he lacked an electoral majority. And this resulted in the House of Representatives voting to decide who would hold the office of the president. Yes, I'm just reading it to you because I only learned this myself not that long ago. They chose John Quincy Adams, who had come in 3rd place. Are you hearing me? I'm going to link this website to you from my sponsor so you can go on and read yourself how a third party can actually win this election. The evil doesn't have to persevere. The evil doesn't have to win. We can have somebody better. And it doesn't have to be Brock. It can be anybody you believe in. I'm going to put it right here at my crease. Whoa, that is dark. Unexpected. Not sure about that. Everyone's been saying vote, 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 vote. And I agree, vote. Know who is on the ballot in your state. Vote for the person you believe in, even if they are independent or birthday party. I can. Birthday party? How can I not vote for someone on the birthday party? That's my platform. That's my own personal platform, is my birthday party. It's coming up too. So I'm just doing a windshield wiper right above my crease line, right in my crease line windshield wiper. A little bit more over here because this is dirty looking. I am winning the makeup tonight. Winning. Take this up a tiny bit higher over here. Oh my goodness, it's horrible. I would like to know why every single time I do a makeup look, it comes out like this if I'm on video. Going on a date with my husband, I look amazing. Going on camera to show you how to do makeup, horrible. I know you don't believe I know how to do makeup. It's fine. what am I gonna do? I don't know, because this is not what I'd planned.
I planned on it looking good.
So Kanye and Brock, Trump, Biden. I don't want anyone watching these videos who might be partial to those people. Who else is on the tickets? Who else could we vote for? What are our choices? Tell me below. I'm going to take this glittery thing that's really pretty, and I'm going to tap that onto this lower lid. Oh man, that is pretty. I like it. I'm going to do that on both sides. I like it. It's got a kind of a greenish tint to it, so it's kind of going with my green theme. Brock Pierce is running for president in Louisiana. If you were in Louisiana, he's an option on the ballot. You can vote for him. You don't have to. You can vote for someone else on one of the other parties. You don't have to vote for the main candidates. But hey, did you watch the debates? Were they not hilariously entertaining? Oh man, I only watched because I wanted to be entertained, and was I ever? Now, just a warning. Just a warming. It is warming here. It's actually cold, no, so don't listen to me. A warning, I will not take ugliness or mean things or any of that said in my comments. We're not going to be ugly. You can tell me who some of the other party candidates are. You can tell me some of the other party names. But what you can't do is be ugly to anybody watching my videos or to me. I just go and delete you. I don't need it in my life. I don't usually go political. It's not something, in fact, I've never talked politics on this channel ever, and I've been on here for over 4 years and never talked politics. That's how important this is to me, that you know that there are independents in the race, and it doesn't have to be either or of those guys. I'm gonna get some of this little sparkly pink, white? I don't know why I was gonna call that pink. And just put it up here. I love anything sparkly. But this still looks so dirty. It doesn't look green, it just looks dirty. I'm gonna fix it. Probably, most likely. Maybe. We're gonna get out the blending brush, see what we can do. That's better. Don't be afraid to try new things with makeup. It doesn't always turn out okay, but that's part of the fun of makeup. And listen, there are no rules. If you want to wear green eyeshadow that looks like someone punched you, that's fine. You can. Let's do some mascara and see if we can fix it. Gonna curl my eyelashes with this cute Tarte eyelash curler. Last year, well, several years ago, I got the cutest, sparkliest one from Tarte Holiday Collection. Crossing my fingers they have a new one come out because this is too boring. Let me know in the comments if you've already voted and what I'm telling you is just boring and you don't care. Any of those things are okay to say. Always. This is my L'Oreal Voluminous Eye Mascara Primer. I call it Eye Mascara Primer. Eye Primer. Mascara? I don't know what it is. Put it on though. It really is good. I love it. It really doesn't even matter what mascara you use when you've got this. Because except for a select few duds mascaras, it all looks good with the primer. This is Tarte Gifted. I've been using this for about a month. And I really do like it. It's very spidery. But I like spiders on my eyelashes. Well, I mean, not real spiders. Mascara spiders. Give me a thumbs up if you're afraid of spiders. That's a weird thing to ask for a thumbs up for, but what's new? What's new for my channel? Now, really, if you wanted to put some fake lashes on, it would probably look better. But I've got to admit, even with mascara on, it's not that bad. What do you think? Almost done! We're almost done. Let's do some lipstick. This is MAC. I can't read it. It's MAC Lip Glass. I feel like I may need some color on my face. I'm thinking yes. Okay, we're gonna use this MAC Lip Glass. I've been wanting to try this. I'm not sure I'm gonna love this color, but it seems pretty. This is not lip glossy. I said it was lip gloss. I gotta get my mirror a little bit closer. Usually lip gloss is so easy to apply and it just immediately gives you bigger looking lips, but this is more of a lipstick. It smells so good. I don't know, what do you think? I like the color. Matches my shirt. That's not planned. Do I have lips now? I think I do. I like it. I'm just gonna get another little bit. That's pretty. I like it. Now what do we think? Do we need some blush to... I'm sad about my under eyes because they don't look good. And that's what happens. Sometimes makeup turns out bad, and sometimes the candidates that we have running for office, we don't want to vote for. So we've got to remember other parties. I want to thank my sponsor for today's video so much. I really believe in voting for other parties and not just straight Democrat or Republican. Brock the vote! Brock, get it? Brock the vote. Is it just me, or do I look like I'm wearing a Halloween costume of a dead person? That wasn't the look I was after. Go check out this video. I can never remember which way to point. Go check out that video that I did a couple days ago on the best skincare, and I'll see you real soon.